Hi everybody, I'm Will Gray from EuroChef USA. We certainly appreciate your interest in the Lofra family of cooking here at EuroChef. Together, let us review Lofra, an innovative and exquisite collection of mid-luxury cooking ranges. Since 1956, our Lofra brand stands for over 65 years of experience, passion, and committed quality. Crafted and made in the hills of Padua, Italy, and exclusively imported to the United States by EuroChef USA, Lofra provides you a phenomenal range with features you need at a price point you'll crave. Let's review our Maestro Collection, the second line introduced by Lofra in the early 1960s. When seeking quality without compromise, versatility with consistent performance, and a strong pro-style build that enhances your culinary creations, you've certainly made a great choice with the Lofra Maestro Collection. Maestro is offered in several sizes, multiple fuel types, and brilliant colors that can all be selected to customize the range that best suits your perfect kitchen design. All Maestro dual fuel ranges feature all brass burners and cooking power that varies from 5,000 BTUs to a max dual burner at 18,000 BTUs. The LP conversion kit is included with all dual fuel ranges, and the oven offers 9 programmable settings with true European convection. Additionally, the larger 48-inch size oven will add 2 additional burners and the lucrative and coveted independent second oven, which operates with the same multifunction and convection capabilities as the main oven cavity. You want to know about a little secret with the Lofra oven glass? Want to clean the pesky oven glass without the cost of a service provider or a service call? You can effortlessly do this task yourself on the Lofra range. The outer oven door trim is removable, and you have easy access to your 3 panes of oven glass. There are certainly no more excuses from the family that you can't clean the glass in the oven. Every meal, from the traditional family dish to the Baird Award Executive Chef's entree, all will marvel at the performance, consistent temperature control, and various cooking options from this Lofra range. If you'd like more information on this, the collection, or the Lofra family of cooking, please visit www.lofra.us.com or your local independent appliance retailer. Thank you for watching. Mangia bene, vivi felice. Eat well and live happy.